Hi and hello everyone. Welcome to the Nursing Virus YouTube channel. This is me Logunathan. This video regarding the AIIMS NORCET 2020, the new admit card, how to download, I'm going to tell you. So the new admit card released in the AIIMS official website. You can download right now. So go to that official website, that is www.aimsexams.org. Click the recruitment and again click the nursing officer, and here you can see the new information, that is nursing officer recruitment common eligibility test 2020, and here you can see the login page where you applied for the NORCET exam. On the same page it will get opened. Here you need to give the candidate ID. You can download your admit card, whatever that ID you have created during the time of application process, the same ID you need to give. And after entering that user ID and the password, you can see that your application, whatever things you have applied, and you can see the indication, the admit card. Click the admit card and there will be a separate file will open. And if you want to read the instruction, you can click and read the instructions also. And close this instruction. And the main thing, so this is your admit card. You need to take the color printout of your admit card, and compulsory the IP address and the date and time of downloading the application should be present when you are taking the printout. You can click the printout area and you can download as PDF file. So this is the official website admit card. You can save as a PDF file and you can download, and you can take the printout of the 2 copies. And compulsory read the instructions also before appearing to the exam center. On the admit card, whatever the ID proof you have given, those ID proof and the color copy of admit card you need to take while going to the center. And they given the sum of the declaration which you need to surrender to that exam center itself. And read the instruction before going to the exam center. Thank you.